Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I don't make resolutions, but I do make goals, and I have some goals for this channel. Today's video is just to share some of the goals of the channel for you for 2024. We have some projects that we haven't finished. We also have projects that we want to get started, some that we planned on doing, we never got to. Also want to announce a giveaway at the end of this video. So watch till the end. It's not going to be a very long video. One of the goals we have for upcoming new year is to double our our subscribers. The subscribers we have right as of the recording of this video is 763. So we're looking to have 1,526, I believe it is, for next year. Another goal for the another goal we have for the channel is to upgrade some of our equipment or add to our equipment. My granddaughter for Christmas had already accomplished that. One of the things she did for me, that's why I'm standing so far back, is getting a microphone so that we can record at a distance like this, where I'm at now in the shed, and you can hear me. I noticed in some of my videos that at this distance, when I'm videoing away from you, you can't hardly hear me unless I increase the volume in my editing and all that. I'm trying to avoid that. Okay, the second goal I have for the channel is we want to increase our workspace. This is the shed that I usually work out of. It's only 10 by 10. As you can see, it's very crowded. I have equipment sitting outside, which I don't like, and my wife also doesn't like it. So that's one of the things we want to do. I got to put the snapper away for the winter, stand her up, make a little bit more room to work in, so when it gets a little colder, I can actually work in here. And okay, this is the shed that I work out of now. It needs a good cleaning, but we want to expand it out another 10, at least another 10 feet that way. We might go 14, make it 14 by 10, or 24 by 10, I'm sorry. And also for spring, all right, this is another project I want to get done in the spring, is on the old F-150 here. Is I have some body work to do. I've never, I can't weld sheet metal, can weld heavy metal, but I can't weld sheet metal. So I've been doing some research on body adhesive, and I'm going to try to put in a patch panel there. And then there's also some little work. Now, this here I had done about 3 years ago. That was fiberglass. But the fiberglass is not holding up and it's cracking right there. And we also rusting through again. So, and I don't know who scraped my panel up, but somebody did. All right. One of the projects I haven't even gotten to, but I want to get to this year. I had announced this project in my introduction video. And if I don't get to this project this year, my plan is I'm just going to scrap this project because it's never going to happen. But I have this Mark Cart mobility scooter. It's all covered up with junk, but it's just sitting here in the corner all the time. I move it around from time to time. And what I want to do is put that Crown pallet jack motor on it. I have all the electronics that go with it, and I want to put that on it somehow. I don't know how to do it, how I'm going to do it yet, but just to make it a fun project. And like I said, if I don't get to it this year, we're just going to scrap the idea because it's just taking up room. All right, now for the final announcement I want to make on this video is I'm going to do a giveaway. I I'm going to base the giveaway on the comments starting the first of the year, and it's going to go all the way up until we meet our goal of doubling our subscribership, which should be at 15,026 subscribers. I'll end the contest. Not 15,000. At when we hit our goal of 1,526 subscribers, I'm going to choose through all the comments of all the videos. It's going to be random picked. It's going to random. I'm going to randomly pick through the videos, and then the comments of that video, the comments that come out of that video. Now, what we're looking for, also, I need to say that YouTube isn't sponsoring this, nor is the manufacturer of the product. I am solely responsible for the distribution of this product, so I've never did a giveaway before, so it will be a little bit of a challenge to do this, but we're going to give away this set of Craftsman screwdrivers. It's a 12-piece set. It's a pretty nice set. These are my favorite. These are some of my favorite screwdrivers. I've always liked these. I just recently bought another set for myself. Unfortunately, Craftsman ain't what they used to be, but I still like these screwdrivers, so I think it's a good giveaway gift. Now, what we're looking for in the comments are your thoughts of previous videos. We're also looking for constructive criticism and ways to improve the channel, things you would like to see. But let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see, projects you might like to see me get into, besides the ones that I have already. Also, I'm looking for constructive criticism. I don't mind constructive criticism, as long as your comments are made in a nice, polite manner, or in a decent manner. No foul language. Any foul language will be deleted and eliminated from the contest. So that's how we're going to run the contest, is through the comments from January 1st through reaching our goal of 1,526 subscribers. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and ring the bell so you get notices when a new video comes up. Also, I will announce the winner in a video. After it's selected, I will announce the winner, and at that point I will give you contact information. That's how we're going to verify that you're actually the one that left the comment. So have a safe and happy new year, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.